Welcome to the Basics Hub. If you're looking to add some fun and creativity to your next party, you're in the right place. Today we'll explore 10 exciting hack ideas that will make your event unforgettable. From DIY confetti balloons to interactive guest books, let's dive into these fun hacks. Hack 1. DIY confetti balloons. First up, we have DIY confetti balloons. These are super easy to make and add a pop of color to any celebration. Here's what you'll need. Clear balloons, confetti, you can buy or make your own, Mod Podge or a similar adhesive, and a paintbrush. Start by inflating your balloon. Then apply a light coat of Mod Podge to the bottom of the balloon and sprinkle on some confetti. Let it dry completely before filling the balloon with air or helium. When the balloons are popped during the party, they create colorful explosions that everyone will love. Hack 2. Interactive guest book. Next, let's set up an interactive guest book. This is a fun way for guests to leave their mark on your event. Here's how. Create a designated photo booth area with fun props like hats, glasses, and signs. Provide a camera or smartphone on a tripod for guests to take their own pictures. Have a guest book nearby where they can print their photos and write messages next to them. This not only captures memories but also encourages guests to interact and have fun. Hack 3. Memory jar. Our third hack is creating a memory jar. This is a wonderful way for guests to share their favorite moments from the party. Here's what you need. A large jar or container, slips of paper, and pens. Encourage guests to write down their favorite memories or messages throughout the event and drop them into the jar. After the party, you can read through them and cherish those memories for years to come. Hack 4. Customizable drink station. Next up is our customizable drink station. This allows guests to craft their own cocktails or mocktails. Here's how to set it up. Provide a variety of mixers like soda, juices, and flavored syrups. Include garnishes such as fresh fruits, herbs, and decorative straws. You can even create recipe cards for signature drinks that match your party theme. This interactive element not only adds fun but also caters to everyone's taste preferences. Hack 5. DIY party favors. Now let's make some DIY party favors. These are great as thank you gifts for your guests. Here's what you'll need. Small jars or containers, candy, homemade treats, or themed items. Fill each jar with goodies and decorate them with ribbons or labels that match your party theme. Not only do these favors show appreciation, but they also serve as a sweet reminder of the fun time everyone had. Hack 6. Themed cupcake toppers. Next, let's create themed cupcake toppers. These are a fun way to add a personal touch to your dessert table. Here's what you'll need. Cardstock or decorative paper, scissors, toothpicks or lollipop sticks, and glue or tape. Start by cutting out shapes or designs that match your party theme. These could be stars, hearts, or even characters. Attach them to the toothpicks with glue or tape and stick them into your cupcakes. Not only do they look great, but they also make for fun photo opportunities. Hack 7. DIY photo booth backdrop. Our next hack is a DIY photo booth backdrop. This adds a fun element to your party and gives guests a place to take memorable photos. Here's how to make one. Use a large sheet of fabric, streamers, or paper flowers. Hang it against a wall or use a backdrop stand. You can customize it with colors and decorations that match your theme. Encourage guests to take photos in front of the backdrop throughout the event. Hack 8. Snack station with labels. Next up is a snack station with labels. This is an easy way to keep your snacks organized and appealing. Here's how to set it up. Use clear jars or bowls for snacks like popcorn, candy, or chips. Create cute labels for each snack using cardstock or printable templates. Not only does this make it easier for guests to choose their favorites, but it also adds a decorative touch to your party setup. Hack 9. Glow stick party favors. Our next hack is glow stick party favors. These are perfect for evening events and add an element of fun. Here's what you'll need. Glow sticks, available at most party stores, and small bags or containers. Simply place a glow stick in each bag and seal it. You can even include a note that says, "Light up the night." Guests will love taking these home as a fun reminder of the celebration. Hack 10. Themed playlist for background music. Finally, let's talk about creating a themed playlist for background music. Music sets the mood for any party. Here's how to curate the perfect playlist. Choose songs that match your party theme. Think tropical beats for a luau or classic hits for a retro night. Use streaming services like Spotify or Apple Music to create and share your playlist in advance. This will keep the energy high and encourage guests to dance and enjoy themselves throughout the event. And there you have it, 10 fun hack ideas that will elevate your next party. From themed cupcake toppers to glow stick favors, these hacks will create memorable experiences for you and your guests. If you enjoyed these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative hacks. Share your own party tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Happy partying!